You know those moments in the market where a coin keeps dropping, everyone turns bearish, and then suddenly it hits one level that can completely flip the direction? That's exactly where XRP is sitting right now, and most traders aren't paying attention. This is Shah, and let's break down what's really happening on the chart in a clean and simple way. XRP is currently trading around $2, and this zone isn't just a random point on the chart. It's a major support, one that has reacted strongly many times in the past. Every time price came into this level, buyers stepped in aggressively. Even though the overall trend has been bearish recently, this support has the ability to slow down sellers and create a potential reversal. The next important resistance above is around $2.6, and that becomes the natural target if buyers regain control. Now let's talk about the structure forming here. The market has been moving down, making lower highs and lower lows clear weakness. But if you look closely at the swings, something has changed. The candles are getting smaller, the downward moves are losing strength, and a falling wedge pattern is forming. This wedge is important because it usually appears when sellers are losing momentum. They keep pushing the market down, but each push becomes weaker than the last. What makes this setup even more powerful is the location. A falling wedge forming directly on top of a major support like $2 gives us a strong early signal that the market may be preparing for a shift. As long as price stays above the $2 support, this entire idea stays valid. Now let's zoom into the 4-hour time frame. Here the downtrend is still clean, lower highs and lower lows, sellers completely in control. But there's one level that can flip the entire direction, and that level is $2.23. This is the level where structure breaks. Once price moves above $2.23, the entire momentum shifts from bearish to bullish. That breakout would also line up with the top of the falling wedge, creating a double confirmation. Once that happens, price usually accelerates because there's very little resistance until the next major level, which again is $2.6. So the idea here is straightforward but powerful. Staying above $2 means the support is strong. Breaking above $2.23 means buyers have taken over. And once that shift happens, the path toward $2.6 becomes extremely likely. For now, everything depends on how the market reacts around these two important levels. This is one of those areas where patience is everything. Instead of chasing early or panicking at the bottom, it's all about waiting for the structure to confirm the shift. Watch the support at $2, watch the breakout level at $2.23. If that breaks, the direction changes and momentum opens the door toward $2.6. This is the moment where the chart is preparing for a bigger move, and all we have to do is wait for confirmation.